HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art!
Hi friends! What are we drawing today? Zigzag, zigzag, 3D stairs. The trick is drawing the lines diagonally, which creates an optical illusion. Time to draw the magic outline. Now, let's paint it. Color. Which color do you want to start with? Green? This looks new because it's blue. What next? Think. It's pink. And then, hello? It's yellow. Blue. Green again. Then let's pick orange. The 3D stairs already look fantastic. One more time, red. And the last step, let's paint it yellow. What color have we not used yet? Purple. Let's paint it all purple. The staircase looks sparkling and brilliant. This was amazing. See you later. Keep drawing. Keep it colorful.
Hi kids! Look at this wonderful Rubik's Cube. Let's start drawing. Start with the outline. And then make a hexagon-like shape. Now we create the small squares. Slowly and steadily. There will be a total of 9 squares on each side. Keep going. Amazing! It's time to darken the border. blue. Woohoo! Then green on the square, right there. Orange next to it. You got it. Now red. And then yellow. And now white. Fill the remaining sides with similar colors. This looks so colorful! Keep painting! Good job! We're almost done. There we go! We are done coloring our glitter Rubik's Cube. Great job, kids! See you next time!